Guys, this house on Keeler is a killer. Let's go.
Bling bling.
Welcome to 293 Keeler Court in beautiful San Jose. Wow. Ugh. So rare to have a single story house in this neighborhood. Level in, no stairs in and out. And once you're in here, look at how gorgeous this is. Completely open concept, circular, huge living room, dining area that flows straight to the kitchen and the family room around the corner. It's so relaxing here. Just imagine yourself after dinner on your couch enjoying the fireplace here and reading a book in this little reading corner. Oh, it is the epitome of serenity. I like this floor plan a lot because on one side you have the public side, but on this side it's the private side of the house. 4 bedrooms, which is incredibly rare to find in a single story home. Super luxurious and no stairs.
Bling bling.
And these bathrooms, literally spa-like. Look how big these tiles are. These vanity backlit and the tiles that go all the way up to the ceiling. It's utter perfection. Ooh, this air conditioning feels so good in summer. But what feels even better in the summer is this gorgeous yard. Elevated new deck, step down to a flat green lawn, beautiful trees back here, very private. Oh, I love that it's stepped down here. And you have embedded lights all the way wrapped around.
Bling bling.
At night, it is twilight beauty. And the location can't be beat. First of all, you are in a quiet cul-de-sac, perfect for playing around all day long safely. And you are just at the foothills of the Santa Teresa County Park and golf course. And you're just 2 miles away from Costco, Target, Starbucks, plenty of freeways to get you to your job, so commuting is a dream, straight to Silicon Valley. I'm dead. Look, didn't I tell you that Keeler was a killer? Give me a ring anytime for a showing. I'll be right here waiting just for you. Where's my dagger?